Hello there! Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the power of the success mindset. Are you ready to unlock your potential and achieve your goals? Well, get ready because we're about to dive into what it takes to develop a success mindset. So, what exactly is a success mindset? It's a way of thinking that focuses on growth, resilience, and the belief that you have the ability to accomplish anything you set your mind to. With a success mindset, failures are seen as opportunities for growth and challenges become stepping stones towards success. Developing a success mindset begins with setting clear and specific goals. You need to know exactly what you want to achieve and create a roadmap to get there. Setting goals helps you stay focused and motivated, pushing you to take action and make progress. Next, it's important to cultivate a positive mindset. Train your brain to focus on the positive aspects of any situation and practice gratitude for what you have. Instead of dwelling on setbacks or difficulties, look for the lessons you can learn and the opportunities that lie ahead. Another key aspect of a success mindset is embracing failure as a stepping stone to success. Instead of being discouraged by setbacks, see them as opportunities for growth and learning. Thomas Edison once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Remember, every failure brings you one step closer to success. In addition to these mindset shifts, it's important to surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support and inspire you. Surrounding yourself with positive, driven individuals can help fuel your own success and provide valuable insights and guidance along the way. So, are you ready to develop a success mindset? Remember to set clear goals, cultivate a positive mindset, embrace failure as a learning opportunity, and surround yourself with supportive individuals. With these mindset shifts, you'll be well on your way to unlocking your full potential and achieving your wildest dreams. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has inspired you to start developing your own success mindset. Remember, success is within your reach, so go out there and make it happen.